I recently ordered the full gel liner collection by Nailz by Dev. Here I ordered some brushes. This is the brushes I ordered. Here's the oval brush, absolutely gorgeous. And this is the Slim Shady, the old version. She has a newer version, I have to get that soon. And then I ordered the bundle brushes, the liner brushes. I guess this is the Dream collection. I can't remember. There's the middle one and then the long liner one. These are really gorgeous and they're so soft. The bristles are so soft. Here's a little thank you notes. They're so cute. And the brush care information. And here I got some free gifts, which I thought was really, really nice of them. These are also freebies. These were the Hollow Glaze and Lights Out and White Out. That's so cool. Thank y'all so much. And here's my absolute favorite part. I got the full liner gel collection. And this was actually gifted to me by my husband. I'm so thankful that he supports my dream career and making nail art. He's so nice for letting me purchase this during the Black Friday sale. So here's all the colors. And here I'm gonna just like show y'all again. Here's the Slim Shady brush, and that thing is so tiny. It's so good. And the oval brush, I've always wanted one of these long oval brushes. And here is the Dream liner brushes, the 5mm. This thing is so tiny, I can't wait to try it. And here's the middle one. And here's the long one. And here's Lights Out. It's really, really black. This one's good. White Out, completely white. And Hollow Glaze. It's so pretty. And then the shiny top coat. It's really thick, actually. Here's the milkshake. I'm just opening it up for you, and you have to kind of stir it. So I did do like a little stirring video for y'all. And here's milk chocolate, creme brulee. This is so satisfying. And getting all those colors mixed up was probably my favorite part of this video. This is double dip. These colors will be so good painting characters. Oh my god, I can't wait. This one's called Toffee, and here is Buttercream. Look how satisfying that is. Look how creamy the colors are. They're so pretty. This one is caramel. This one is truffle fudge, I believe. These colors are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Milky Way, all that. This is the primary colors. This is beautiful yellow, beautiful orange, NYX Splat. And oops, I did it again. This red, oh my god, it is gorgeous. Genie in a bottle. This blue, I'm a blue fan. I love blue colors. And this is really a royal blue. Limewire is a gorgeous green. Grape soda is absolutely a royal purple. So gorgeous. And highlighter, it's like this neon yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die. Look at that blue. Ugh, absolutely satisfying. Slime Time is this gorgeous green. And this is one of my favorite colors. Solo Cup. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. And Spice Girl is such a pretty pink color. I can't wait to use all these colors. I'm like so anxious about it. Look at that. Look how creamy it is when you mix it all up. Ugh. And Strawberry Milk. Look how pretty pastel pink color this is. Lucky Charm. Absolutely gorgeous. Cotton Candy. Oh, that blue. I can't get over how creamy these colors are. Sweet Lilac. Oh, these are so pretty. I just can't wait. Creamsicle. I'm telling you, if you love nail art, you should get these colors. Banana Smoothie. Look how pretty and creamy it is when you mix it up. Oh my gosh. And then here is white. Look how white it is. It is so white, so pigmented. And the baddest black. This one is really, really pigmented. I can't wait to start painting with these. And here is Icy. I think that was Icy. I don't have my glasses on. Gold Digger, and that was Platinum. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. Tell me in the comments what I should paint.